Hey guys, welcome to the channel once again. We got the Kodiak 450 on, and yeah, thank you for all the comments that you put in the last video. We got it on with the jump starter, and yeah, it started right on. You guys were right. The battery was it's not good. I'm gonna have to replace the battery, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for the support. Thank you for checking my videos, and thank you for commenting on the video. That was it. Had to jump start the battery because in the last video it didn't want to start. So I changed the starter relay for no reason. You know, I should have put a video before I changed that starter relay. So I got a used starter relay that is working perfectly. It's right here. So if somebody needs these, you know, I can see if I can, you know, put it on the mail and send it to you, because this one is new. I mean, well, it's actually new because it only has 300 miles. So yeah, I changed this one for and now I won't return it. I was just gonna keep it. It cost me about $60 something. So yeah, so I'm gonna have to get a new battery, or I don't know. I might get a tender so I can plug it to my wall. So let's see what happens. I'm gonna let it run for a little bit, and then I'm gonna load it in the trailer to storage the Kodiak 450. Thank you guys for all the support. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.